Phasalo Tripura Gramin Bank ni Bwkhaktwi Khlaijakha Kaisa annual press meet Manjaka Tripura Gramin Bank ni chairman Sotendra Singh te general manager Anup Kumar Saha Khorang. Abani aglona aslo TGP ni chairman 2024-25 rang bishinoti koglam shaka abno karibute shaka Tripura Gramin Bank ni bania khlainai rok gobang ongkha 13.60% hene Tripura jotoi 150 branch tongo hene abno karibu Tripura Gramin Bank ni Kaitham regional office tongo Agartala Udaipur te Khlaijakha abno karibu aslo tebu tarbidal koglam shaka TGP chairman Sotendra Singh.
So many digital initiatives in the financial year 24-25. We have increased access and convenience for our customer by internet banking, mobile banking, QR code, WhatsApp, SMS banking. In Tripura Gramin Bank has already actively participated in government-sponsored schemes such as Swalamban, PM Vishwakarma, Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, PM Shwanidhi, PM Shureghar Yojana, and various social security schemes and DBT schemes, disbursing benefit to lakhs of beneficiaries of Tripura. We have a mammoth branch network in the state. You all are aware that right now we are having 150 branches along with 12 ultra small branches and already deployed 476 business correspondents to serve remote and underserved areas. We have already onboarded self-passbook updating machine at 7 locations across states. WhatsApp banking has already been implemented. In last year, we have already added in our fold banks on 2 more solar-powered mobile ATM vans, that is TGV on wheels. We have achieved Champions Medal in Atal Pension Yojana Olympics 2024-25 campaign given by our PFRDA, Government of India. In Atal Pension Yojana, I just want to share you that Atal Pension Yojana, from last 3 years, we are continuously getting reward and recognition and award. In last financial year, our rank is second across country among all 43 states. In 19 regional Saras Fair, TGB has grabbed the first position award in the best departmental store category, stall category. Tripura Gramin Bank have always been more than just a financial institution. We are a partner in progress, committed to the holistic development of rural Tripura. Our employees are not just bankers, they are change agents working tirelessly to bring banking services to the doorstep of the last mile. Looking ahead, as we step into the new financial year, our priority remains clear: more digital transformation of rural banking, enhancing credit delivery to priority sectors, strengthening financial literacy and financial inclusions of our states, ensuring continued asset quality and profitability.
Raja Khorang Chini Khorang.